Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 7th annual Commodore Hull Thanksgiving Road Race. As you can see, everyone is gathered up here. The runners are anxiously awaiting the start of the race, which should begin in about 10 minutes. We've got a great morning here. We've got good weather, and everybody looks pretty excited. People are still filing in. My understanding is that this race was sold out 2 weeks ago, and I guess it's breaking all kinds of records. So that's an indication of how well and how successful this event has been. The big question we have here is, will John Critelli, the champion from last year, will he be able to hold on? I understand he's going to be racing this year. Will he be able to hold on and win? I hear that some folks here are going to challenge him today. It'll be exciting to watch and see what happens.
Good morning, good morning. What a beautiful day for the race this year. Woo! All right. Listen.
Okay. So we need to get out of the way here. That was close. Yeah, that wouldn't be good headlines. Video photographer run over by running crowd, joggers.
There you go.
And they're out of the gate.
Good kick.
That was a quick start, folks. I'm telling you what, we've got the social joggers left behind, but I know that everybody's going to finish. And away we go to the pace car. And here they come. They're making the turn. They're coming up the street. We've already got a leader. He's building some room.
219. Who is that, Tyler?
It's John Critelli.
Is it John Critelli? Yeah. That's quite a start out of the gate. He's already got quite a lead. We're checking on the runner now to see who it is. It is John Critelli, last year's winner.
2 years.
2 years in a row. It's amazing how quickly he can get out there and get a lead.
Yeah.
Yep, John's fast, but he's not that fast.
Did you get the number? Somebody, I think his name is Sanson from Shelton.
Keith Sanson.
Yeah.
Is that who we have in second place?
Can't see the number.
Okay.
That's what it looks like.
Look at folks, John's running away with it here. Very similar to last year. He put a lot of distance between he and the pack right around this place at this time of the race. I want to know what this guy eats for breakfast. What do you think, Jack? We'll see him on the cover of Wheaties sometime?
That's it, or at least the website.
On my phone if you have the number.
John looks very motivated here. He looks motivated. He wants to beat his own record from last year. There's no doubt. It's a very quick pace. And there's some of the runners are chasing him. And there's some fans. Let's take a look. John again continues to increase his lead. Let's zoom in on the runners that are chasing him. If we can get a look here.
as we pass historic St. Mary's Church.
He isn't getting away from me, is he?
That's it. You've got a handful of people. That's pretty much it. He's pulled away again.
Why are we on the wrong side of the road?
This gentleman's a running machine. Nice, the Rocky theme. That's a nice touch. I like it. All right, we're back. Now you can see some of the other runners that are chasing them. Here, we're starting to see some of the other runners here. Again, quite a lead.
Gotcha. Keep it up, Josh.
Here come the runners.
Oh my god, I love that guy's hat.
Up, there's some social runners right there. A pack of them all running together, talking their way through it. Great camaraderie. Here we go. There's more runners as we see. John's a very lonely man up front here. I'm sure that's just the way he likes it.
Wire to wire. Ready!
There's more runners here. What's the total number of runners there, Jack?
625.
So it's 625.
Completely sold out.
As we stated before, sold out 2 weeks before the actual race. I believe that's a new record.
It is.
Here comes John.
Let's go.
Space, do space.
I gotta say, it seems like a very quick pace. When compared to last year, I believe John's on his way to breaking his own record.
John was trying to break 15, so we'll see.
It's quite an accomplishment. And there we've got some social runners again. It was John slicing through this hill, the slight incline on the bridge.
It's all downhill from here.
Okay, it's a good thing there's no brothers.
You want to get up front, you get out and get a picture of him coming in?
Yeah, we'll get off and we'll run to the finish
You viewers, I hope
line.
you've taken some Dramamine before you watch this. A little bumpy road here. Hang in there, we're doing the best we can. And there are the fans, people greeting him as he comes down the stretch here.
Okay.
Wave, John. And there he goes. To the cheer of the crowd. And there is the challenger. On John's heels, I think it's challenged more so than we saw last year. There comes some more. There's another challenger. Let's see if we can see him here. Here he comes. There he is. Where's the second runner? There's the second runner. Pushing hard. Will it be a record breaker? We're going to find out here in a second. John's pushing real hard. Here he comes.
Here he comes.
He's pushing in. He's pushing in.
1550.
Kick it up, kick it up, kick it up.
He's looking to break it. Will he do it? Will he do it? Will he do it?
1558, John Critelli. Number 2, 1960.
Good job there, John.